Hi friends, between chart Xauusd bold between 30-minute chart. Market is up 10 not down 10 market. 1 hour chart market fully down 10. Support registration. 4 hour chart. 1 day chart fully bearish candle. Total balance $33,001 total balance. Big amount profit. Losses profit loss. No commission buy. Profit total profit 14785 USD profit. Big amount profit. What expected news get 3 high and big news tomorrow 21 October 22 October ZVP CBAR I am big news. Let's join, please subscribe, like, comment, share. Tradingview chart analysis. Please my channel to subscribe, like, comment, share. Big amount profit.